Hi my little Raes of Sunshine, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you, all products from e.l.f. I have just got these in the mail a couple days ago and wanted to try these out first time on camera to do like a first impressions try on video. So I really hope you like it, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to go in with the Poreless Putty Primer. Everyone has been talking about this and I have no idea if it's good. Obviously this is a first impressions. I've never used like a primer that focuses on like pores, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. I guess I'm just going to take it. Ooh. What a weird consistency. So this is supposed to be like the Tatcha Silk Canvas, kind of like a dupe. Oh, weird. Feels like almost a little cooling. I'm just gonna put this like where my pores are. So like here, and like on my nose. And I don't have giant pores, but they're there. My skin has really been going through it lately. See all of these breakouts on my face? I'm just, oh, so bad recently. I changed up my skincare and something is making me break out, so I just stopped everything because I have no idea what it is. So I'm trying to like narrow it down and see what the who the culprit is before I start anything back up. So I do have an e.l.f. foundation, but I've used that a bunch of times and I'm pretty sure it's almost gone, so I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to go in with the Mega Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild. This isn't new or anything. It's new to me. I've been using it the past couple of days, but I really like it. It's very lightweight on the skin. I've definitely been going for a lightweight look recently, especially with all the breakouts. Sometimes just packing it on makes it just look heavy and cakey on your skin, so I'm trying to give my skin a little bit more of a break. I really shouldn't be doing makeup right now while it's like this, but I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm really sorry about that. I've been doing a few things. I actually wanted to show you guys. I DIY'd my own vanity mirror and I am so proud of it. And it was like less than $100. So, good alternative if you're looking for something that's cheaper than buying one. Obviously, you gotta be a little handsy. Not handsy. Like, you need handy work people in your life. Not handsy. So that lighting on my face right now, that's what you're seeing. I'm sitting in front of my vanity. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of concealer to clear up those little spots. Just gonna use This isn't e.l.f. or anything. I'm just, you know, spot concealing. Just trying to erase. You're still gonna be able to see some spots. Just because they're so bad and there's so many of them. So I've recently changed up my makeup routine too. I've become obsessed with like cream products. I've been using cream products for about 2 weeks now, and I really like the look of them, and they're really nice for the summer. Personally, I really like them. But we're not going to be using cream products today. Oh, I have a blush I could use, but I have a powder blush that I want to try out more, so we're going to use that one instead. So everyone's been talking about this primer infused bronzer in Forever Sun-Kissed, so I picked that up. It's actually a nice color. It looks very neutral in the pan. Just grab another brush and go in. Oh, that's nice. Nice wash of color. So first impression, I really like this. I feel like you can't really go too overboard with it. So it's actually a really nice bronzer. I'm curious how it wears. So I guess I will just leave an update in the Dropbox. So there's that. And I picked up the primer infused blush in Always Cheeky. Ooh, I like that color. This is Always Cheeky. It's like a nice, pretty, rosy nude. Really nice and kind of neutral and good for those natural days. And then I also picked up the Metallic Flare Highlighter in White Gold. I guess I'm gonna wet this just to see. That's what I usually do. I'm just gonna wet my brush. Wow, that's pretty intense. Wow. So that is beautiful. My cheeks look wet. That actually looks really nice. Wow. So that's my favorite thing that I've bought so far from this haul try on. Next, I picked up this illuminating mist and set. And a lot of people have said this is really good, so I'm gonna try this one out. Okay. Wow, that highlight though. Wow. Just makes my skin look like wet and juicy for summer. Wow. It's actually really nice. I can't even stop looking at that. So I just popped on some mascara and some eyebrow pencil, just a little bit. I've been going really natural with my eyebrows recently, and I've kind of been loving it for summer. I've been doing very like no makeup looks recently, and I've just been loving it for summer. I joined a pool, so I'm like constantly swimming. Like I swim every day, and it's just really hard to like do a full face of like glam makeup and then go in the pool and it ends up like all over your face and it just ends up looking really cakey. So when I have been putting makeup on, I've been gravitating more towards this natural no makeup looks and have been really loving it recently, except for a highlight. I gotta love a blinding highlight always, anytime during the year. So speaking of, my overall first impression of these products are the Poreless Putty Primer. I mean, I don't have huge pores, so I haven't noticed a difference, but I'm gonna keep trying this out and I will let you guys know if I think it's worth it. There's a lot of other reviews on this. I know Jeffree Star did one. I know a few other people did this review and said it was just like the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I've never had the Tatcha Silk Canvas, but it seems pretty good, like from what I can tell. This bronzer, I really like the undertone of it. I definitely think it reminds me of my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. So to be able to get that same look for $6, that's a no-brainer. This e.l.f. blush, I've been really getting into blush recently. I really like just a flush look, especially for summer. This blush is definitely a keeper. I mean, I like it. It looks nice on the skin, and so far it's good. I don't know how it wears, so maybe I should do a like most long wearing makeup look. I haven't found products that last like all day on my skin besides I don't even know. That's not something I really have like tested out, so I guess maybe that would be something interesting to kind of do my research and test things out and see what lasts the longest. I loved this metallic flare highlighter in white gold. I think this was such a hit. I'm going to continue to use this. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. It's literally like my cheeks are wet. I love this. So this I recommend 100%. All of these products were pretty good. I don't think we've had any flops. I didn't do any eyeshadow today. I just, you know, like I said, I've been going for no makeup. So I just really focused on the face today and skin. So I hope you guys didn't mind that. But if you liked this video, please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Are you kidding me? Look at that.